Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. This saves time later. First, verify your Toyota's head unit supports Android Auto and that its firmware is current because incompatible firmware blocks pairing. Next, pick a data-capable USB cable, not a charging-only cord, and plug it into the car's USB port. On your phone, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services, then unlock the device. Once done, open the Android Auto app so it's ready to accept the connection. Now connect and authorize. This is the critical middle step. Plug the prepared cable into your phone and the car. The infotainment should detect the device and show a pairing prompt. On your phone, accept all Android Auto permissions, contacts, messages, media, because denying them prevents features from working. Make sure to allow projection and agree to any Android Auto terms. If offered, set Android Auto as the default USB behavior so future connections auto-launch without extra taps. Finish by validating functionality and knowing one troubleshooting tip. Once paired, test navigation, phone calls, and music playback. Use steering wheel controls and voice commands to confirm integration. If something fails, try a different USB port or a new data cable, then restart both phone and car. Simple restarts fix many glitches. Make sure your phone OS, Android Auto app, and Toyota head unit firmware are all updated. This resolves most compatibility issues and prevents repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.